Hi, welcome back. Oof, that was hard. Even though it didn't happen for me just now, it happened a while ago. Just telling it back again, it was hard. Take a deep breath. All right. In this module, the workbook side, I'm actually inviting you to dream your ideal journey. I never had the opportunity. But no matter where you are in your journey, it doesn't matter whether you're just starting or whether you're in the middle or whether you're a veteran. Just take a moment, pause, and dream your ideal journey. In the workbook, I have a space for that. It's a plain empty space. Do you want to write? Go ahead and write. Do you want to draw or paint? Use colors. Do it. If this space doesn't work for you, use a different paper, whatever that you feel comfortable to express your creativity and dream. Hey, none of these works for you? Can you sing? Go ahead and sing. Can you dance? I love dancing. I wish I knew this exercise before. I would have just danced all around. Dance your journey. Anything that helps you and your creative channel to dream. Dream on, my dear. Dream on. One thing that I forgot. You actually have to capture the top 2 takeaways from this module. And every module moving on will have that, right? Whatever that you took away from the lesson that you just heard, make sure that you capture in your workbook. Okay? I'll see you in the next module, which is Introduction to Infertility. Bye.